Hi, I'm Marlin from Music Ally. Welcome to this video presented by Amazon Music for Artists in association with Music Ally, where we'll be focusing on how to prepare your new release for success on Amazon Music. We will highlight the key features and opportunities designed to help you take full advantage on your release day with Amazon Music. Pitch your new release. Jumping right in, one of the first and most important things you should do is pitch your artist's new release on Amazon Music. Doing this provides artists and their teams with an opportunity to reach more listeners and increase streams by directly putting the artist's new music in front of the service's programming teams. Beyond increasing your artist's chances of playlist placement, by using this tool you can ensure existing fans and followers receive in-app activity posts, targeted push notifications and smart prompts via Alexa, alerting them of the new release. To create the perfect pitch, start with the basics. Provide basic details about the track, the artist and your marketing strategies, in 1000 characters or less. Next, describe your artist's audience and delve into their demographics and how you plan to reach them. Don't forget to call out any collaborators featured on the track and mention any noteworthy activities such as sync placements or upcoming music videos. We have linked to a handy best practice guide on how to pitch effectively below this video. Make sure to keep in mind the key submission criteria. You can pitch only one track per new release. It has to be new, never released before music. The release must be delivered to Amazon Music with streaming rights, and the release can only be pitched up to 14 days after street date. Launching a pre-save campaign. Another essential marketing opportunity are pre-saves. Pre-saves are not just for show. They are a genuine way to cultivate a dedicated fan base and boost first-day streams, setting the stage for long-term success in your artist's career. They allow you to generate excitement early on before your artist's new release hits the shelves, essentially building anticipation and laying groundwork for a successful launch. Also remember that Amazon Music's curators evaluate a range of data points to decide which songs to program on their playlists, so building pre-release buzz via pre-saves will help here. Another key benefit is the automatic notification feature. Fans who pre-save your artist's new release will automatically become followers of your artist on Amazon Music. Then, on the release date, they'll receive notifications prompting them to listen to your artist's new music, which will be added to the Amazon Music library. Platforms like Linkfire, Foundy and Feature FM have made it easy to set up pre-save campaigns for Amazon Music. To get started, you can begin by utilizing any of these link platforms to create your pre-save campaign. Once created, you can share the pre-save link anywhere, such as on your artist's socials, to maximize visibility and engagement. Growing followers. We've just touched on how you can use pre-saves to grow followers. Now, building a dedicated listener base is crucial for any artist, and one of the most effective ways to achieve this is through artist follow campaigns. By encouraging fans to follow your artist's profile on Amazon Music, you can ensure they stay in the loop about their latest releases and updates. A simple way to do this is via the artist's socials. Once listeners become followers, Amazon Music automatically notifies them whenever your artist drops new music, ensuring they're always up to date with their latest songs and albums. These notifications are delivered directly to their Echo devices or as push notifications to their mobile devices, guaranteeing they never miss a beat. Updating the artist's image. An important aspect of keeping your artist's image and brand relevant is ensuring your artist's profile reflects their current aesthetic. As you navigate through your artist's new release, don't forget to refresh their look. Your artist's profile image is often the first thing new and existing fans will see, hence why it's essential to keep it current and match their latest look, branding or album artwork. The same goes for the background image, which sets the tone for their profile. Timing is critical. Update the profile and background images at least 2 days before your release's street date. This gives Amazon Music time to process the changes so that your artist's new look is front and center when listeners come searching for your new release. When selecting images for your artist's profile, they need to meet specific criteria. We have linked to Amazon Music's guidelines below this video. Finally, let's look at Hype Deck. With Hype Deck, you can highlight significant moments in your artist's career, whether it's the release of a new track, celebrating the anniversary of a fan favorite, or landing on a coveted playlist. Hype Deck allows you to generate excitement within your artist's fan base. With this feature, you can easily create custom hype cards tailored to your specific promotions. There are song, album, playlist, and artist profile hype cards you can choose from. You can customize them with different colors, background images, supported languages, and layout orientations. These shareable graphics serve as eye-catching visual assets that can be distributed across social media platforms, through email newsletters, or any other marketing channels you utilize. You can instantly share within the app or download and share later. And that's it! Armed with this practical guide, you'll now be well equipped to maximize your release day on Amazon Music.